Hey sneaker fan, welcome back to Superb Unboxing. Today we are unboxing and review the Air Jordan 1 Low SE Concord. Stay with us, we check out everything about this sneaker. And this video is sponsored by LoveGoBuy.com. This is a cool website providing best top quality sneakers, clothes as accessories. If you love this, to connect with Love Go Buy community and receive personal custom service, to join their dedicated server. If you're a collector, just you can buy fashion. Love Go Buy is definitely worth for you. Please check out. Let's go with the music vibe unboxing.